how to enable stealth mode in Telegram stories. So if you just go to any of your stories, tap on three dots, top right, and then tap stealth mode. And this is basically like a ghost mode in Telegram. With stealth mode, you can watch stories without appearing in the list of viewers. You can hide your recent views for the past 5 minutes and for the next 25 minutes. So in this range, in the range of 30 minutes, you'll be able to browse other people's Telegram stories and you won't appear as an account in their list of viewers. And then you can just tap enable stealth mode. So the idea is that if you started browsing stories and then you're like, I didn't enable this mode, you still have 5 minutes lag to enable it, and then your past views also won't be recorded. So that's quite smart. And then for the next 25 minutes, you can browse a lot of stories. After 25 minutes, seems you will need to enable this stealth mode again. Also, I'm not sure if this is only available on premium or for everyone. And that's basically what it is. And then if you just go to your stories, you will see like in the bottom, there is number of viewers, and 24 hours after the story expires, you still can see exact names and exact accounts who checked out your story. And other people can do the same with you. Unless you enable this stealth mode, then people won't be able to see specifically your account.